morning, Coron. This is a room here in Princess of Coron Hotel. Guys, this is our last day here in Coron. We have 5 nights here staying in this hotel. This is Princess of Coron Resort here in Coron. Alright, this is Princess of Coron Hotel and Resort. Okay, there's a swimming pool. There's a mango tree. Look at guys. For 5 nights, it's only 7,500. Air conditioned room, good for 2 beds. Okay, murang-mura lang po guys. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Mayroong swimming pool na. Ganda rin. Doon ang kanilang reception area. Doon may billiard doon sa babaw. Then may function room din. Okay. So ang palabas na po kami. Punta kami ng Mount Tapias sa Budik. Ito ang daan patungo doon sa taon. Princess of Coron Austrian Resort and Lodging House. Okay. Okay. Dito po ang parking namin. Nagrenta kami ng motorbike for only 600 pesos. Good for 24 hours. Kahapon namin nirenta ito. Guys. So guys, samahan niyo po kami doon sa Mount Tapias. Punta kami doon. That spot is a very good view of the town of Coron. Bye.